Welcome to our guide on the top 5 best nail polishes that will transform your manicure game. Whether you're aiming for a salon-quality finish at home, long-lasting wear, or vibrant colors, this list has you covered. We've handpicked 5 exceptional products, breaking them down with detailed insights to help you choose what's best for your nails. From Essie's timeless classics to Chanel's luxurious shades, these nail polishes are more than just beauty essentials. They're problem solvers for all your manicure needs. Let's dive into the reviews. Kicking off our list at number 1, Essie Nail Polish. Essie Nail Polish has become a household name in the nail care world, celebrated for its vast range of colors and salon-quality results. Known for its smooth application and trendy shades, Essie has been a favorite among beauty enthusiasts for decades. Whether you're looking for classic nudes, bold reds, or playful pastels, Essie ensures you'll find the perfect color for every occasion. Key features: Essie Nail Polish boasts an extensive collection of over 300 shades, offering something for everyone. The polish is formulated with a high-quality chip-resistant formula that ensures your manicure stays fresh longer. The precision brush provides an even and streak-free application, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results at home. Additionally, Essie is toluene, formaldehyde, and DBP-free, ensuring a safer experience for your nails. Benefits and usage: Essie is perfect for everyday use, offering long-lasting wear without requiring a gel topcoat. Its quick-dry formula allows you to complete your manicure in minutes. The polish glides on smoothly and dries with a high-shine finish, making your nails look like they've been done professionally. Essie's vast color selection means you'll never run out of options to match your outfits or mood. Usability: Essie's easy-to-use precision brush ensures that even beginners can achieve a flawless manicure. The formula is thin yet pigmented, requiring only 2 coats for full opacity. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free, quick-drying nail polish that doesn't compromise on quality. Durability: while Essie isn't a gel polish, it offers impressive durability for a regular formula. With a good base and topcoat, Essie polishes can last up to 7 days without significant chipping. Its chip-resistant formula ensures your nails stay polished and perfect throughout the week. In the second spot, we have Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. The Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is a revolutionary product designed to deliver gel-like results without needing a UV light. Combining affordability with salon-quality performance, it's perfect for those who want a long-lasting manicure from the comfort of home. This 2-step system promises vibrant colors and a glossy finish that rivals professional gel manicures. Key features: this polish is designed as a 2-step system, with the color coat followed by a special gel topcoat. The formula is chip-resistant and provides up to 14 days of wear. It's also easy to remove with regular nail polish remover, eliminating the need for soaking or scraping. Available in over 70 shades, it caters to all preferences, from bold brights to understated neutrals. Benefits and usage: the Miracle Gel system offers a long-lasting and durable manicure without needing a UV lamp. It's user-friendly, allowing anyone to achieve professional-looking nails at home. The glossy finish is comparable to salon gel polishes, making it ideal for special occasions or everyday wear. Its ease of removal means you can frequently switch shades without damaging your nails. Usability: Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is straightforward to use. Apply 2 coats of the color polish, followed by the gel topcoat for a high-shine finish. The wide brush ensures even application, while the quick-drying formula makes it a time-saver for busy individuals. Durability: true to its name, the Miracle Gel offers outstanding durability, lasting up to 2 weeks with minimal chipping. Its chip-resistant formula ensures your nails stay vibrant and glossy, making it a reliable choice for long-lasting manicures. Coming in at number 3 is the Zoya Nail Polish. Zoya Nail Polish stands out in the beauty industry for its commitment to healthy, toxin-free formulas. Loved by professionals and individuals alike, Zoya offers a vast array of shades that are both stunning and safe for your nails. It's the go-to choice for those who prioritize nail health without sacrificing beauty. Key features: Zoya's polishes are 10-free, meaning they exclude harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and camphor. The brand offers over 400 shades in various finishes, including cream, shimmer, and metallic. The highly pigmented formula ensures rich color payoff with just 2 coats, while its vegan and cruelty-free status appeals to ethical beauty enthusiasts. Benefits and usage: Zoya is ideal for individuals seeking a healthier manicure option. The polish delivers vibrant, chip-resistant colors while protecting your nails from harmful chemicals. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for those with sensitive skin or brittle nails, and its wide color range ensures a shade for every occasion. Usability: the Zoya brush is ergonomically designed to provide even application, minimizing streaks and bubbles. The formula dries relatively quickly, allowing for efficient manicures. Its versatility makes it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Durability: Zoya's chip-resistant formula ensures your manicure lasts up to 10 days when paired with a good base and top coat. Its durable finish withstands daily wear and tear, making it a reliable choice for active lifestyles. Taking our 4th spot is Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro. Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro is a premium nail polish designed for those who crave gel-like results without the commitment of UV curing. This innovative formula combines luxury, performance, and nail health, making it a top choice for beauty enthusiasts and professionals alike. Key features: the Gel Lab Pro formula features a 10-free, non-toxic composition that promotes healthier nails. It includes a dual-patented brush for precision and even application. Available in a wide range of sophisticated shades, the polish offers a high-shine, long-lasting finish. Its formula is infused with ingredients like biotin and green tea extract to strengthen and nourish your nails. Benefits and usage: this polish delivers a salon-quality manicure that's easy to achieve at home. Its unique formula not only beautifies, but also strengthens your nails over time. The gel-like finish ensures vibrant, glossy nails that last, while its healthier composition protects your nails from damage. Usability: the dual-patented brush ensures an effortless application, evenly distributing the polish for a smooth finish. The formula's quick-dry properties make it convenient for busy schedules. It's perfect for those who want a luxurious manicure experience at home. Durability: Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro provides excellent durability, lasting up to 10 days with minimal chipping. Its gel-like finish maintains its shine and vibrancy, ensuring your nails look impeccable for longer. And finally, at number 5, we have Chanel Le Vernis. Chanel Le Vernis embodies elegance and sophistication, offering a luxurious nail polish experience. Known for its high-performance formula and iconic packaging, Chanel Le Vernis is a staple in the beauty world. It combines vibrant colors, a flawless finish, and exceptional durability to deliver an unparalleled manicure. Key features: Chanel Le Vernis features a high-quality, 5-free formula that ensures a safer manicure. Its ultrafine pigments provide rich, even color in just 2 coats. The polish is infused with bioceramics and ceramides to strengthen and protect your nails. Available in an array of timeless and trendy shades, it caters to both classic and modern tastes. Benefits and usage: Chanel Le Vernis delivers a professional quality manicure with minimal effort. The polish dries to a smooth, glossy finish that rivals salon results. Its nourishing formula helps improve nail health over time, making it ideal for regular use. With its chic shades, you can achieve a polished look for any occasion. Usability: the precision brush ensures effortless application, providing full coverage in just a few strokes. The polish dries quickly, making it a time-efficient option for those on the go. Chanel Le Vernis is perfect for anyone seeking a luxurious, no-fuss manicure. Durability: Chanel's premium formula offers outstanding durability, lasting up to a week without chipping. Its high-shine finish and vibrant colors remain intact, ensuring your manicure looks fresh and flawless throughout. Choosing the perfect nail polish doesn't have to be overwhelming. With options like Essie, Hansen, Zoya, Deborah Lippmann, and Chanel, you're guaranteed to find a product that suits your needs, whether it's durability, vibrant colors, or healthier formulas. Each of these top picks offers unique features and benefits, making them stand out in the beauty world. Now that you've got the insights, it's time to elevate your manicure game. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.